Welcome back to the show, guys. Now it's time to check out this week's Talent on the Rise. Let's meet Stuart Wilson.
Everybody's talking of a new generation, new sensation. And everybody's treading on their own vibration, own inclination.
My name is Stuart Wilson, I'm a musician. I was born in Cayman Islands. My father is Jamaican, my mother is Caymanian. So I was raised in between both countries growing up, and my music is a blend of classical rock, jazz, blues, but reggae really is the canvas. Most of my influences come from musicians who have had an impact on their surroundings. I mean, people who have actually impacted not just their home, but the entire world. I like musicians who tend to have a message, something to say, something that they want to communicate through their music. And another thing that I quite enjoy about real, sort of authentic musicians is what I call root music, or what Bob Marley referred to as root music. Well, I started really young, and I think that we all come into the world sort of quietly knowing who we are. And from a young age, I was called towards music. From the time I can remember, a bass line and a drum lick was resonated with me. And so it was really a natural thing, very organic. By the time I was 4 or 5, I was asking for a guitar and sort of trying to figure this thing out. And it's just something that I can't refuse. So now music is a huge part of my life.
Said I feel for you, my love. Said I feel for you.
I had the privilege really to work with some wonderful producers, among them Jason Gilbert, who's won a Grammy with Eminem on Eminem's Recovery album for Rap Album of the Year. The producer that I'm working with now is Mr. Clive Hunt, and he and I, this is the new single that I've got now is our 4th song that we've done. And as you know, Clive at the moment is also nominated for a Grammy. So I've worked with Dean Fraser. In fact, this song features Dean Fraser on the saxophone. This new single, "Feel for You." "Feel for You" is a song about really finding love in the busyness of this world. I mean, there's so much going on, so many things that can distract people, and you can miss that special someone just in a second. What I bring to the table musically is a different dimension, because my music, I think, is though the canvas is reggae, we paint with elements of blues, classical rock, and jazz. So what I think I bring to the table is imagination. And the drums are my first instrument, and I played the drums in the high school band, and I enjoyed that. But when I started really entertaining with the thought of the guitar, and I started playing with an acoustic guitar, I asked my mother to buy me a guitar instead of a graduation ring.
Here I come again.
Hey guys, now it's time to check out the video premiere of the week.
You know you're hot and cold, you're in and out. You want me, then you wanna be friends. Then you want go north and south. So you love rum so me no want go through it again. Hey, you know you're hot and cold, in and out. You want me, then you wanna be friends. Then you want go north and south. So you love rum so me no want go through it again. No, this is not a joke thing. Why you laughing? What you really are deal with? Hey, you stop the walking while I'm talking. Stop playing with my feelings.
You know, it's the next artist, I know, in a degree. I never let you drop it black in. I'm right now, I don't know what we're doing. But I'm not stopping us from a job. You're a degree, not back it up close, come near me now. Me have something me want share it now. It might look spooky and scary now, but be the co-pilot and steering now. No illusion, no fear now. Just step me magic one and disappear now. Reaching climax is clearly now. We no care if the neighbor them want hear we now. Forever in your arms, forever I will be. Forever making love, make sweet love to me. Forever in my heart, I'll take you everywhere.
no, leave me, leave me. Give me another chance, give me another try. It's so hard to say goodbye. No, no, leave me. No, leave me, leave me. Give me another chance, give me another try. It's so hard to say goodbye. She say it's hard for me, you know. But I got to do what I have to do because I can't do this no more. With you, it ain't worth it. You need to find something or someone else to occupy your time because I can't do this no more.
All this argument like we're in a parliament, but me know your mouth is your biggest strength. All the time you a give me big tough chat. Me just walk away, then me walk come back. From long time like a old school, to what we a bounce like a pro tool. So me now make one argument mash we up. Me no fool. I love you, 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 and girl I need you in my arms forevermore. I love you, 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 and girl I
She don't believe in shooting stars. She believes in shoes and cars, and only around big spenders. Baby girl apart, she profile like a star. Fall in love, she will leave you with a scar. No, she won't.
Now it's time for our second commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the Drink Real Milk campaign and our Proud Jamaican Spirit feature. We'll be right back.